coming. Oops.
San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bandera County, southeastern Kirk County, northwestern Hayes County, Blanco County, southeastern Gillespie County, Kendall County, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Meadow Lakes to 11 miles northwest of Medina, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated northwest of Medina. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
It looks like they're getting
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Medina, Kerrville, Bernie, Fredericksburg, Dripping Springs, Sunset, Blanco, Bandera, Round Mountain, Vanderpool, Fair Oaks Ranch, Johnson City, Stonewall, Bear Creek, Candelia, Kerrville Shriner Park, Rocky Hill, Kreuzberg, Cypress Mill, and Blumenthal. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Your weather synopsis for South Central Texas. Another cold front arrives today with a chance for more showers and storms.
WXK 67 and DaVinci 641 are down. That's why they didn't grab all the stations. That has to be us.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
That's not us.
southeastern Williamson County, southeastern Travis County, northwestern Bastrop County, northwestern Lee County until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Windermere, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters reported ping-pong ball-size hail in Round Rock at 5:03 p.m. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pflugerville around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Manor around 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Elgin around 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Knott Springs, Sunset Valley, Garfield, Blue, Mayersville, Creedmoor, Monmouth, San Leanna, McDade, and Del Valley. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Your local forecast. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time this evening. Tonight, mostly cloudy.
Move out of the way.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Williamson County, central Travis County, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Windermere, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour
That
wind
store's
gusts.
getting really close to us too.
Source,
Because they haven't toned it yet for us.
Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Why is that not going on?
This severe thunderstorm will be near Pflugerville until around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Copeland around 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in
I forgot
severe
92.5.
thunderstorms include Camp Liberty, Lancaster, Lamport, Lost Creek, North, 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Waterloo, Sandoval and Hare. Under protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I gotta.
Inside a sturdy structure and cable windows. Severe thunderstorms or rainfall is occurring with coastal crossing. Lost Creek, Colton Flag Roadway, Waterloo, Sandoval and Hare. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Local forecast. Severe thunderstorm watch 179 in effect until.
Okay, you can start the same with the message now.
Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly this evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe this evening. Lows in the lower 50s. Northwest winds 50.
It's probably gonna be us this time, isn't it?
The National Weather Service can
Now you include us.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Medina County, central Bandera County, southeastern
Yeah, there's a lot of counties.
Hayes
That's
County,
it.
Blanco County,
heck?
southeastern Gillespie County, Kendall County, northwestern
Well, I left it on.
County,
That's
Oakland
why.
County, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What is
At
this when
5:14 p.m. Central
in this
Daylight
one?
Time,
You know, 'cause we've
severe
seen them throw the
thunderstorms
ball
were
around.
located along the line of County.
I was like, where's that coming from?
Moving east at 50 miles per hour.
PBS.
Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Oh, that's just great.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
PBS is off the air.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels.
Yeah. I believe I'm getting them decently, but I don't know how that's gonna affect the EAS station. I'm just gonna leave it the way it was earlier.
Blanco, Bandera, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Halotis,
Oh.
Oaks Ranch, Bulverde, and Garden Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, use that decoded right. I don't know why this thing's
Your local forecast.
like sensitive.
Severe thunderstorm watch 179 in effect until 9 Central Daylight Time this evening. Garden Ridge. Tonight, for your cloudy. A chance of showers floor of a building, mainly this evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe this evening. Lows in the lower 50s.
Markhouse, Medina,
Oh, hi.
Kyle, Judah, Bernie, Selma, Dripping Springs, Wimberley, Comfort, Blanco, Bandera, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake,
There's
Halloween.
PBS. Haven't gotten PBS in forever.
Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. South to 20 miles per hour. Saturday night, clear. Lows around 50. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Becoming west around 5 miles per hour after midnight. Sunday, sunny. Not as cool as ice in the mid-80s.
Okay.
West winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Becoming south.
So only those two will count because of the same, but then the other channels, the EOM, so it'll count us both then.
Winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with
yeah.
gusts The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Medina County, eastern Bandera County, northwestern Colorado
Oh, I hit my knee.
County, Hayes County,
Well, it wasn't that brutal, but
County, southwestern
I thought that was gonna be worse.
southern Bernard County, Kendall County.
They're still down.
County.
San Antonio's still down.
6:30 p.m. Central Daylight.
Let's just
At
do
5:40
Austin.
p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along
Oh, wait.
the line extending from near City Hollow to 6 miles.
That's gotta be
west of
K-Side
Lakeville.
56 area.
At 35 miles per hour.
Let's hope.
Hazard. Southeast
Yep.
and 60
Let's get them.
miles per
Oh
hour
shoot.
gusts.
K-What's not gonna. It's gonna be useless.
Source. Radar indicated. Impact. People have
Excuse me.
will be heard. Severe.
Oh, KTXX. Since this is a big SVR.
The line extending from near City Hollow to 6 miles west of Lakeville. 35 miles.
It's getting dark. I should not have the lights like that. So the antenna be touching together or what?
For your entry, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. San Antonio, shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
That don't sound right.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms.
Considerable.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
I apologize if that radio's louder than all the rest. Look at that.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. The reason we're not winning. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Williamson County, northeastern Caldwell County, eastern Travis County,
I almost tripped on my running shoes.
until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 7 miles east of Tanglewood to near Mustang Ridge, moving at 45 miles per hour. Northeastern Caldwell
That was I forgot.
Southeastern source radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and paths include Austin.
Oh, excuse me.
Austin Bergstrom International Airport. Mustang Riverside Hayloft. Source radar
I
indicated.
don't know if it's with these wires or what.
Hail damage to vehicles at Rosaki, Page, Tanglewood, and Uncrease. Sighting. Forgers reception move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, keys, Smithville, Lexington, clouds, and ground are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, it's Cedar Creek, Rosaki, Page, Tanglewood, and Uncrease. Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your local large hail, damaging with severe thunderstorms, clouds the ground until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time immediately. Unlikely thunderstorm warning remains careless until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Northeastern coast has to be struck by a lightning. Northwestern Caldwell.
Everybody has just finished EOMing. I did not get the HD2, but okay. Here, let's go off. And this dog is laying on the cash
The
flow.
National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Caldwell County.
Oh yeah, WWG55 is not off the air.
Fayette County until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What did they tone?
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Somerville State Park and Trailway to near Rosaki, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh, that makes sense.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail
No, wait,
damage
what did they issue?
expected. Expect wind
Okay.
damage to roofs, siding,
So that counts. EOMs.
Locations and patches
626.
include Astral Daylight Time, LaGrange, Smithville, Schulenburg, Flatonia, Lexington, Shelby, Mustang Ridge, Fayetteville, Dimebox, Round Top, Fedor, Camp Swift, Circle E KC Estates, Cedar Creek, Rosaki.
Hey,
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, continuous cloud to ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Fayetteville, 9 Park, Roundhouse, Pandora, Camp Swift, Circle D, KC Estates, Cedar Creek, Rossetti, Peyton, and Lewis. Your room on the lower building. You're happy to use one of the floor of a building. This is a special emergency. Damaging winds and continuous clouds and ground lightning are for your protection. Move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Wait for WWG55 too.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Like how it's a surprise. Okay.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Colorado County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Austin County in southeastern Texas, Burleson County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Brazos County in southeastern Texas, Washington County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Waller County in southeastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Snook to near Lake Somerville State Park and Trailway to 8 miles west of Burton, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brenham, Navasota, Caldwell, Washington, Shelby, Somerville, Snook, Industry, Burton, Lake Somerville Dam, Lake Somerville State Park and Trailway, Carmine, Lyons, Danville, Independence, Duelm, Corey, and Frelsburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
Leave the dog alone.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay then. How about that? Yes, it is good.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has
Just some more.
thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bastrop County, southeastern Lee County, Fayetteville County, 45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located.
There's KTXX.
Moving east at 40 miles
With this station.
50 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source.
Let's go to PBS. They're back on the air, so let's hope that they. Ow! Let's hope they get back on the. Get the. What am I saying? Do you know what I'm saying? The alert this time, without the EOM stuff.
Ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
Oh, that doesn't turn on. Dang it.
Remember, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Do not drive large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning.
That's better.
With this storm. Move indoors immediately to flash flooding on the North leading to Port Aransas outward nautical miles. Your thunder. Your thunderstorm watch on 82 in effect until rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
This
someone shares
Drive
my
your vehicle through flooded roadways.
of our favorite picks, but
Oh, wait.
it wasn't.
I forgot about one station.
The Senate Democrats aren't talking to McCarthy.
There's PBS.
They call it, in a couple weeks.
Did they just aborted the alert?
It could be July. We don't actually know yet.
Oh, that's probably because of these news people.
Their pots.
I want everyone in the building.
Tried that one first. Those are less generous.
They actually did.
I've dealt with them before. Biden doesn't know them. The White House doesn't know them. Schumer.
What a shame. I'm sorry, Leah. We couldn't get PBS for you. You need to get your hair done. League City SVR.
County in southeastern Texas, Austin County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Burleson County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Brazos County in southeastern Texas, Washington County in southeastern Texas, central Walla County in southeastern Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Milliken to 8 miles southeast of Brisbane to near Industry to near Schulenburg.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Source was not indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Navasota, Sealy, Hempstead,
Oh, Sealy. I was there.
Columbus, Eagle Lake, Washington, Shelby, Weimer, Pine Island, San Felipe, Industry.
Oh, San Felipe. Yeah, I was there too.
Independence, New Ulm, Spring and Sharing.
New
For your
Orleans.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning.
You just organized my bed. How dare you?
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's
shoot.
leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
By the way, I was messing with my L series. So I figured I haven't really shown you much of this, so I got it. That's all.